Hi everyone, I hope you're all having a lovely day. As we promised and as I've told you in other videos as well, we wanted to work a lot more on hand embroideries this year. And so we've finally got you some Kutch hand embroidered blouse pieces. These are heavier than we've brought before. We've got you, there are some available ones on the website as well where we only used to have 2 bales around the back. However, in this you'll see the entire back is embroidered. You'll see all the different kinds of motifs where you've got peacocks and flowers and geometry as well. This is the back of the blouse, and here you've got the sleeves. So basically you have embroidery for heavier sleeves and the back. We've created them in such a way that you can also get these things appliqued in case that your tailor tells you that the fabric is a little less or anything. You can have these things appliqued onto a separate fabric as well. So this is one of the blouses. You'll have different colors. We have different patterns also. Like this one had a greenish and a pinkish hue. We've got a black with a green and a maroon color as well. So we've got different kinds of patterns on these. We've got blacks, you've got a green, nice bottle green as well. You've got maroons, a little darker maroon, purple and a red. These blouses are very versatile because since they're so heavily embroidered, you can use them with simple cotton sarees as well, and you can elevate the entire look. Since the embroidery is so rich and elegant, you can also pair these with silk sarees and give them a different look as to what we are used to. In case you don't want to use them for blouses, one idea that we usually love to do is the fact that you can use this, basically you can use this choli pattern in the kurti. You can have another fabric attached to it, so basically you'll have an embroidered jacket kind of pattern for your kurta, and you can use these sleeve designs for your kurta sleeves. It necessarily doesn't have to be a half sleeve. You can have these patched over here instead of here, so you can have a 3/4 length kurta with this kind of embroidery as well. This is one of the ideas that I usually do since I don't wear saris as much, and it actually turns out really nice. So we'll be putting these blouses up today on the website, and we really do hope you love them. Thank you.